In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create campaigns in HubSpot. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your HubSpot account and that you have access to the marketing tools. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation bar of your HubSpot dashboard. You'll see a menu labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your marketing tools, including email, social, ads, and of course, campaigns. After the marketing menu opens, look for the option labeled Campaigns. Click on Campaigns. This will bring you to the main campaigns area where you can see any existing campaigns and track how they're performing. If your account is new, this page might be mostly empty, and that's completely fine. We're going to create a new campaign from here. On the campaign screen, look for a button or link that says Start a Campaign. Click on Start a Campaign. This is the beginning of the setup process. HubSpot will now guide you through a few choices to decide what kind of campaign you want to build. Next, HubSpot will give you two main options for how to begin. You can start from scratch, or you can start from a template. If you want full control over every detail and already have a clear plan, click on Start from Scratch. This is ideal if you're comfortable with HubSpot or if your campaign is very unique. If you'd like some structure or inspiration, you can instead click on Start from Template. Templates are pre-designed setups that can help you move faster and make sure you don't miss key elements. Click on Start from Template if you prefer that route. Once you've chosen either starting from scratch or using a template, look for the Next button on the screen. Click on Next. This will confirm your choice and move you into the more detailed setup for your campaign. If you chose to use a template, you'll see a list of available templates. Browse through them and pick one that best matches your goal, such as promoting a product launch or running a seasonal campaign. When you've decided, click on Use Template. This applies the structure of that template to your new campaign. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that HubSpot provides. These will walk you through naming your campaign, setting dates, choosing assets like emails and landing pages, and reviewing your settings. Take your time with each prompt, make sure everything looks correct, and when you're done, save or publish your campaign to start tracking its performance in HubSpot.